Hello everyone, my name is Wulan Indah Sari. Okay, today I will discuss about men hairstyle. What hairstyle are common for men? Okay, number 1, short cut. Buzz and crew cut, which are very smiley so that a man is activity and strong. Number 2, medium cut. For a classic and business-like style. Number 3, long hair. Long hair shows that a man is creative and passionate. Number 4, different hair. Hairstyle differ a lot between country and are often related to various cultures. For explain afro, likes to red hair, which is often thick and curly. Thank you.